What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach.
I've always been a motivated guy, very inspired to do something with my life. I always felt I had a purpose to change people's lives in this world. The main thing that I think came out of this was just legacy. That was all that was in my head, is that can I create a legacy for myself? Way in the future I could look back and say, you know what, you changed people's lives, you made a difference. That's when I decided this is it, I'm gonna bring my own skipping rope out and this is gonna be the game changer. This is what's gonna change cardio forever, because this one piece of plastic, this one super simplistic piece of gym equipment, you can take it anywhere, super portable, super cheap. Once someone has that and they know how to use that and they can use it the right way, look good doing it and just feel good doing it, those three things, once they have that focus in their life with the skipping rope, it's going to change them forever.
Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.